Runaway Sexual Selection by
Beth Polisano.
Gary Molina.
and Andrew Taleb.
So what is sexual selection? A special case of natural selection, acts on an organism's ability to mate, and selection makes many organisms go to the extreme lengths for sex, such as intersexual selection and intrasexual selection.
Intersexual selection is competition between the sexes. In this type of selection, males try to show off their physical or behavioral attributes in order to attract a female, ultimately leaving it female choice. For example, peacocks with bigger and brighter tails will attract a female more so than a peacock with smaller tails.
Intersexual selection is competition within the same sex. Physical methods against other male animals are used in order to be able to mate with the female. Examples such as the male elephant with the larger and stronger tusk is more likely to kill or drive the competition away, enabling the female to select that male. However, intrasexual selection is not involved in the runaway sexual selection model. So, what is the runaway sexual selection?
So what is the runaway sexual selection model? Proposed by Sir Ronald Fisher in the early 20th century, Ronald Fisher proposed that a linkage disequilibrium arises between alleles for male phenotype and female preference. As we can see in the figure below, right here, females pick their males. So what does that mean? In peacock populations, females have a heritable preference for brightly colored males, while some of the other females will choose males at random with no regards to their tails. Male peacocks can also have a heritable trait for their feather coloration. However, some of the males will be more colorful than others. So, in conclusion, the brightly colored males that are chosen by females, the more brightly colored males will be produced. Thus, the females that choose the brightly colored males will pass on the choosy gene to their offspring. And as we can see from this graph, not there, right here, yes, that graph. This graph shows that as females choose males with prettier or more favorable traits, the more these traits go up and up and up. So, it's kind of like a snowball effect, in that when females choose their males, that same gene gets passed on to the offspring, coding for both preference and favorable traits in males, and preference in the females.